Guys, welcome back. In this session, we will be seeing one more string method. So today we'll be seeing a method called split. So split method is used to split a given string into array of substrings based on the given regular expression. So if the given regular expression matches, so it will split the given string into array of substrings. Let me see an example. Let's say we have a string str. Okay, and the string is having something like this: hello world, welcome to Java programming. Welcome to Java program. Welcome to Java programming. Okay, so this is my complete string. What I'll do is I'll be giving a regex like wherever the comma is there. So you have to split the string based on that this comma. You have to separate these words. Okay, so it will be something like this. So hello is one word, world is one word, no, welcome is one word, to is one word, Java is one word, and programming is one more word. Okay, we will be storing all these things into a string array, so that so split method, what it will be doing is it will be splitting the given string into array of substrings. So we can split this string into array of substrings based on this regular expression. So here I am giving the regular expression. Wherever you are finding the comma, so you have to split the string. Okay, so let's see an example on this. Let's see a programmatic example on this. Now let me go to my uh, IntelliJ and let me create a class over here. I'll be creating a class called okay, so I'll say that split the given string based regular expression based on regular expression. Okay, so now this is a main method. Okay, so and now what I'll do is I'll be writing a string. I'll be giving a string. So let me give the same string over here. So I'll be using the same string, copy and just go and paste it over here. So let's say paste it. Okay, so now what I'll do is I have to split this string into array of substrings. Okay, so I'll use a split method str dot split. Okay, str dot split, and I have to give the regular expression. So I'll be giving the regular expression as comma. Okay, so fine. So now so this split string will be returning the array of substrings. I'll say uh, substrings. Okay, so substrings. Let me display these substrings. So I'll use okay, I'll use for loop to display all these things. For loop. It is string, right? We can easily show it. Okay, let me write it substring over here. Substring. Okay. Um, okay, let me test what it will return. I think it will return the reference actually. Let me check. Let me run this application. So let me check the output. So it is returning, it is returning this. Okay, but we don't want this actually. So we don't want this. We want all these details to be present. Let's use the for loop actually. So let's say for loop int I equals to 0, I less than substring dot length. Okay, and I'll say I plus plus. I plus plus. We format the code. Okay, let me run this application. So it will return hello world, welcome to Java programming in separate sub. Okay, so it is returning this. Okay, cool. So here what I'll do is I have to write substring of I. So at what index number So we have the index numbers, right? Like this split method, what it is do is it will be splitting the given string based on the regular expression, and it will return the array of substrings, right? So here what we are doing, we are using a for loop, and we are trying to you know display what are the values available at the zeroth index, first index, second index, something like that. Okay, so before I have given only substring, now I have added the array of I. Okay, so let's see. So what would be the response? Let's run as Java application, so it will return some response. So let's get that. Okay, over here. So see here, hello world, welcome to Java programming, something like this. Okay, cool, right? Fine. Yeah. Yeah, that's all about for this session. So in the next session, we'll be seeing a real-time implementation of the split method. Okay. Uh, Please subscribe and share my videos. And if you have any doubts, please comment it.